In this video, we're going to look at customs and entry requirements and give you some paperwork pointers, especially regarding the certificate of origin for textile goods. Let's get to it. Point number 1. Any goods falling within chapters 50 to 63, this includes textiles, household textiles, and apparel, are subject to the AGOA apparel visa system. Point number 2. Countries must have established a visa system and obtained approval for textile and apparel shipments under AGOA. And lastly, point number 3. Customs authorities in the exporting country must stamp the invoice with a visa stamp and include details such as the name of the authorized customs official, the visa number, quantities, and any other required information. Should you require any assistance regarding what was discussed or any other related queries, please don't hesitate to contact the African Trade Platform on www.africantradeplatform.com.